Ever pondered the significance of catching sight of 11:11 on the clock? It's a moment that captures the attention of many and sparks curiosity. Is it merely a coincidence, or could there be a deeper meaning? Today we dive into the fascinating world of 11:11 and its association with mindfulness. In the vast expanse of spiritual and cultural phenomena, the appearance of 11:11, particularly on digital clocks, has long been a subject of intrigue. This sequence of numbers is often seen as a sign of good fortune, a moment to make a wish, or an opportunity for reflection. It's a concept that's closely intertwined with mindfulness, a practice that underscores the significance of living in the present moment, fully aware and engaged. When people spot 11:11, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the moment, the here and now. It's an invitation to take a pause, to reflect on one's thoughts and feelings. It's a reminder to be fully present, to be mindful. This aligns beautifully with the principles of mindfulness, a philosophy that encourages us to be completely immersed in the current moment, to be aware of our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Spotting 11:11 on the clock can serve as a mindful trigger. It's a gentle nudge to take a breather from the hustle and bustle of life, to turn one's attention inward. It's an opportunity to reflect upon one's thoughts, feelings, and actions, and in doing so, it allows for personal growth and fosters a greater understanding of oneself. This simple practice of noticing 11:11 can indeed transform ordinary moments into extraordinary opportunities for introspection and personal evolution. It's an exercise in mindfulness that can be easily incorporated into daily life, turning a mundane act of glancing at the clock into a moment of profound self-awareness. In summary, 11:11 isn't just a sequence of numbers or a time on the clock, it's a symbol, a reminder to be mindful, to be present. It's a prompt for reflection, a call to pay attention to the now. It encourages individuals to seize the moment, to use it as an opportunity for introspection and personal growth. So the next time you notice 11:11, remember, it's more than just a time. It's a moment of mindfulness, a chance to pause, reflect, and grow. It's a small yet powerful tool that can enhance your mindfulness practices and contribute to your personal development journey. As we pull the curtains on today's discussion, remember, every glance at a clock showing 11:11 is a chance to be mindful, a chance to be present, a chance to grow. It's a simple yet profound practice that can transform your everyday life. So embrace the power of 11:11 and make every moment count.